How to fix Snapchat add-in friends problem. Hello guys, welcome back to this new video. I'm gonna show you how to fix this problem easily and fast. First thing, open the settings on your phone and then go to the apps manager like this. When you open the apps manager on this page, you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. So all what you wanna do is wait a few seconds and then scroll down or just search for Snapchat like this. And then click on force stop and go to the permissions, enable all the permissions, go back, click on the data usage, enable all these options, go back, click on storage or the internal storage, click on clear cache, go back to the settings on your phone, click on wireless and networks, enable the airplane mode and disable it. And the last thing you want to do is go to the Play Store or the App Store, search for Snapchat and update it. After you update your Snapchat, that's it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.